Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com, and today I have a sort of bonus video. As you guys might know, I was doing a kit collab this month with Grace Islander, otherwise known as Anna, here on YouTube, and we both made homemade kits that were absolutely so much fun to work with. And usually we share our process videos on Saturdays, but since February is a short month, I have some extra process videos to share with you, so here's an extra one on Tuesday. If you haven't seen my kit share, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can see the entire kit and how I pulled all these pieces together. What I'm currently doing for this layout is to trim out a bunch of these beautiful flowers from this American Crafts paper. This is the very thin paper from Michaels. I know this design, I believe, is from maybe Paige Evans or one of their lovely designers, but I think it's Paige Evans, and it's that Moonlight Madness, or it had a beautiful name for this collection, but it just labels the papers as American Crafts for the purpose of the thin papers. So I bought a couple of these thin papers when they had a huge sale, and I'm just going to trim a bunch of these florals out. And once that's done, I have a photo of my boyfriend and I cut down to 4x4 from either Christmas dinner or Easter dinner, but I'm not scrapbooking it for that reason. I just liked this photo of us together, and I'm matting that on a nice pink sheet of pattern paper from the Echo Park paper pad I included in this collection kit. This layout takes a very big turn than what I expected it to, and I really love the way it came out. It came out very elegant, which I'm really happy with, but definitely did a different turn than I expected. I also have this doily next or behind my photo, and that is from Freckled Fawn. I picked up these square doilies and I'm so happy I did. I get a lot of questions about them, and Freckled Fawn does not sell them anymore, but if you're looking for rectangular or square doilies, I highly recommend looking in the baking sections of your craft stores as well as on Amazon. They sell several different types of shapes for baking cakes and such for decoration, so that's where you can find a bunch of different size doilies. I'm cutting down this pattern paper here, which is from a paper pad I have called Blush, which is from DCWV, and right now I'm not sure what I'm doing. I finally figure out that this pink is way too harsh for this photo, and the flowers kind of blend in on it, so I pull out some of the vellum I got for Christmas, my first time using it. I know it's about time, February, but I end up using a small piece of this to create a beautiful frosted look. And then the flowers that I'm putting on top really pop a lot better than they did before. Now I'm starting to envision how this will come together. I have a beautiful centerpiece here with the floral pieces in the photo. I have an acetate piece I pulled out that says Lovely in pink foil, and that is from Pink Fresh Studios Citrus Bliss frame pack. I'm looking through all the die cut pieces now, as you can see at the top of the screen. I just keep them in this little jar-like thing. And I'm pulling out a bunch of the foil pieces that I have from the C'est La Vie Pink Paisley collection. And they come in a beautiful gold foil, so I figured I'd go with gold on this layout. And I also pulled out an acetate tag, which is really pretty. I think it's a library tag, but it doesn't matter again for this purpose of this layout. I just love this photo of us together and wanted to highlight it. I know I'm going to do some mixed media on this layout. I included a couple mixed media things in my kit. Again, I'll have the kit video linked down below so you can see everything I put in it. And I decided to use this Echo Park polka dot. It's not exactly a polka dot, it's more like polka splotches in my gold Heidi Swap color paste, or modeling paste. And I'm going to use that in two different sections and then set that aside to dry. And then I'll clean that up off camera, but just two little sections. And I actually do a little bit of a mess up at the top there, which I still haven't figured out how I'm going to cover up. But I'm still thinking of a way to do so. Now I'm going to glue down everything together, and I'm going to cut out some of this because it's just a little bit tedious to watch. But once everything is together, we're going to do some more embellishing. Now I'm gluing down the main piece here now that everything's glued on top of it, and I'm just trying to align the title here because the title ends up being Lovely. And to do that, I just put a little bit of adhesive on the back and then move the acetate pieces around so they fit perfectly. And this layout's almost complete. I do a couple more embellishments like this ampersand gold sticker, again from C'est La Vie, the Pink Paisley collection, and I'm still looking for a couple things. I have this label, which is from We Are Memory Keepers, and it says Love on one end, and the other end's just a little tab, and I put that back. I just used the part that says Love. And then I add a little bit of washi tape. This is a beautiful white washi tape with a couple of gold stars on it, which is so, so pretty. And also some puffy stickers from the Heidi Swap collection here. This one I think says beautiful. I know one of them says beautiful. I'm not sure what the other one says. But that's pretty much it for this layout. I'll have Anna's channel linked down below so you can watch her monthly kits and what she creates with them. We'll have the kit or the layout share and kill a kit video up soon by the end of February here. And that's pretty much it for this layout. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe. To finish off this layout, I'm adding a couple of chipboard pieces from American Crafts. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!